Journeying from St. Elizabeth, Mayfield All-Age faces Dupoint Primary from St. Andrew.
So we had the coin toss earlier. Dupoint won, but asked Mayfield to go first. So we'll start section 1 by asking each team alternate questions, earning them 1 point for each correct answer. They will have 10 seconds in which to answer. So we start off with Bible knowledge, and Mayfield is up first. Mayfield, who was the mother of Samuel?
Bathsheba. Bathsheba.
Incorrect, it's Hannah. Dupoint, which woman did Samson tell the secret of his strength? Mayfield, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Delilah. Science. Mayfield, what gas do humans exhale?
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Correct. Dupoint, what gas is a byproduct of photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide.
Incorrect, it's oxygen. Jamaican affairs. Mayfield, what is the capital of Clarendon?
Maypen. Maypen.
Correct. Dupoint, what is the capital of Manchester?
Mandeville.
Correct. English language. Mayfield, what does the idiom to be under a cloud mean?
To do the wrong thing. To do the wrong thing.
Incorrect, it's to be under suspicion. Dupoint, what is the idiom to let the cat out of the bag mean?
To let out someone's secret.
Correct. Television. Mayfield, what complete the title of this cartoon series? Pinky and?
The brain. The brain.
Correct. Dupoint, complete the title of this cartoon series. Avatar the?
The Last Airbender.
Correct. General knowledge for Mayfield. Which important person is the main resident of the White House in Washington, D.C.?
Donald Trump. Donald Trump.
Who is the U.S. president? Correct. And Dupoint, which important person is the main resident of number 10 Downing Street in London?
Queen Elizabeth.
Incorrect. It's the Prime Minister of the UK, Theresa May. We move on to social studies. Mayfield, what term is used to describe the way of life of a group of people who share similar beliefs
Culture. Culture.
and customs? That's correct. Dupoint, what are powerful forces produced by movements along faults inside the earth called? Question goes to Mayfield. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Earthquake. Mayfield, still with you. Music. What is the name of the international artist who did the hit single Hotline Bling?
Ching ching. Ching ching.
International artist would be Drake. So that's incorrect. Dupoint, what is the name of the international artist who did the hit single Work?
Rihanna.
Correct. Mathematics for Mayfield. What is it? If x equals 1.25 of 60, what is x?
$1.26.
Incorrect, 75. Dupoint, if p equals 1.25 of 80, what is the value of p? Question passes to Mayfield. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 100. Sports. Mayfield, in the game of netball, there are several positions on the court. What does the acronym GS stand for?
Goal shooter. Goal shooter.
Correct. Dupoint, in the game of basketball, how many points are awarded for shots made beyond the arc?
3.
Correct. That's the bell.
At the end of round 1, Mayfield All-Age has the lead with 6 points and Dupoint Primary has 5 points.
So stay with us. When we come back, it's time for the face-off. You're watching Quest for Quiz.